Hey guys, so crypto is again crashing after we get a significant pump, almost 70,000. Actually, we did reach 70,000, and the reason why we are crashing is because we have some Middle East wars between Israel and Lebanon. The stock market is crashing, and it is no surprise for me because we are still in a summer in August. If we are talking about crypto, summers are usually not the most bullish months. If you remember 2021 bull run, summer was quite down. It dumped in summer and went sideways for the whole summer months, for the whole summer season. That's why I don't expect for us to go up in August, not even in September, maybe in the end of September. But if you check the prices before the 2021 bull run, you can see that in 2020, in October, we started to go up significantly. Bitcoin started pumping significantly. And that's when we basically entered a new bull run. And also remember that in crypto, we basically experienced this 4-year cycle that has basically been true since 2013. And this means that every 4 years we have a bull run. The crypto euphoria. That's why if there was a proper bull run in 2021, this means that 4-year cycle is in 2025. That's why I'm not surprised that we are dumping right now, because it doesn't make sense actually that crypto went up in 2024. But as we all know, the Bitcoin ETF came out in early 2024. That's why everything went bullish. But overall, I still follow the 4-year cycle. That's why I'm personally not panicking about this dump or this stagnation. And I am expecting for Bitcoin to go up only in late September, early October, because that will mean that we are still following the 4-year cycle, and 2025 will be a full-blown crypto bull run, crypto euphoria. And I'm also looking at the global liquidity, because crypto bull runs always follow the global liquidity. So that's why my recommendation is don't panic, stay patient, wait for the 2025. We are still in a summer. That's why take some vacation, just chill, keep your coins, keep your altcoins, keep your Bitcoin, because I believe that we will go up. This is not a financial advice, but this is usually what happens. I'm just following the history. I'm not a day trader, but I follow these big liquidity cycles, 4-year cycles. So yes, stay patient. We have still 3 months until October, and that's why when I think we will start moving up, or hold crypto will start moving into a bull run zone. So don't fade crypto, stay tuned, press thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.